At a time when Zambians and the rest of the world are celebrating the start of 2014, however, it is not the case for these stranded passengers on a Mulobezi-bound train after it derailed on New Year's Eve in Simonga village in an area 20 kilometers from Livingstone. According to affected passengers, they allege that two of the train's wagons derailed when part of the railway track disengaged from railway sleepers. The troubled privately owned railway company run by Leoson's General Contractors Limited is known for its alleged poor safety record on its weekly trips between Livingstone and Mulobezi in Western Province. 74-year-old Godfrey Sumomba is among several passengers that are crowded in the only two passenger wagons. Mr. Simomba and some passengers talked to are dismayed by the incident.
Tifuna batitalize ba government 74 years afutika 2 days posadla tikala banzi mchalo hicho bafutika bwana mkubwa
ya tuna badandaola mbili maningi pankani yatu ya treni njanje yatu ni yakudala maningi siri bwino manje yonso matu promise ati bazayilungisa njanje manje kulibe bamwe bichitika
kwati problem ya njanje sinamberero every time emabheuka batashani swalungisa njani yabo maona so jela kuti sikangaza mtani 3 days 4 days tiri munjira maona isatravake konze balungise ko manjanja maona mabetira bwelela mai bokuta tilipe bokuta bana tilipe.
For a 24-hour trip between Livingstone and Mulobezi, the train's poor sanitation is a striking sight, as can be seen by an opening through the wagon's floor. In a telephone interview, the company's managing director, Leonard Sifuba, hastily gave a brief account on the matter and hung up on this reporter. Though no one sustained injuries, this incident begs the intervention of relevant authorities in order to sustain the safety of passengers on this mode of transport. Clive Kalunga, Muvi TV News, in Simonga Village, Kazungula District.